Hi, and welcome to Lemma Dental Clinic. Do you smoke or notice dark yellow stains on your teeth? In this video, we'll show you how to clean cigarette stains and bring back your bright smile. Cigarette smoke contains tar and nicotine, two major culprits behind those brown and yellow stains on your teeth. Over time, these substances stick to the enamel and penetrate deeper into the surface, making it difficult to remove them with just regular brushing. Scrubbing harder or using random whitening toothpaste won't solve the problem and may even damage your enamel. Over-the-counter kits often fall short, especially for deeper stains caused by smoking. At Lemma Dental Clinic, we start with professional scaling and polishing to remove surface stains and tartar. For more stubborn stains, we recommend in-clinic teeth whitening, a safe, effective treatment that lifts deeper discoloration without harming your teeth. In severe cases, we may also discuss dental veneers to laminate coatings for a permanent aesthetic solution. You don't have to live with smoker stains forever. With the right care, we can dramatically improve the color and health of your teeth. And if you've considered quitting smoking, improving your smile can be a great first step. Ready to brighten your smile? Book your appointment with Lemma Dental Clinic today. Let's give your teeth a fresh start they deserve.